Hello vlog. I hope everyone is doing great. We just went to IKEA this morning and picked up a few bits. I'll show you what I got in a little bit. The lineup was huge, but honestly, like, we got in like that. They let 800 people in at a go, so it was fine. It looked worse than it was. But yeah, I just wanted to go to IKEA. I haven't been in so long. I needed candles and just a few other little IKEA type bits. We're gonna go now and grab some flowers. I feel like it's tradition that I get new flowers every time we vlog. I haven't had fresh flowers in the house for about like 4 or 5 days. So then I said I'll just hang on and we'll get them in the vlog. So we're gonna actually go to Costco today and get them, because the last time I got them in Costco, they lasted me 2 weeks. If it's not too busy, we will go in there and get flowers. If not, I'll probably just get flowers from the place where I always get them. But anyway, we're gonna go to Costco now. So Costco wasn't busy, well, it was busy inside, but there was no queue outside. So we got in and I got these flowers. Look at these roses. Obsessed. And all I can think about is how good they're going to look when I dry them out, because I'm gonna dry a few out and add them to the collection of dried flowers that I have. We'll do a quick little Costco haul. We didn't buy much. We got a bag of quinoa, these little granola bars, or granola bites should I say, and they're just these little granola balls. They're delicious. And then a big bag of mango, because Jay likes to make smoothies every day and it's always good to have some frozen mango and pineapple in the fridge. Into the bag. You're happy in there, aren't you, bud? Okay, I thought I'd quickly show you what I got from IKEA. We got 2 of these little jars. We were looking for the... Jay, can you show me one of the other ones that we usually use? We usually get other jars that I'll show you now, but they didn't have them in this size, thanks. These ones, these are great. We have all our grains and teas and stuff like that in them, but we couldn't get this size, so thank you. We got these ones instead. Same size, does the job. We buy a lot of dried beans and we never have anywhere to put them, so these are always handy for that. I got a new toilet brush because the last one we had broke. This, what is this? Oh yeah, I got another little teapot. I drink this rose iced tea, but this dropped and smashed, so I had to just get a new one of them. Some spoons, very exciting. Oh, I forgot we got these. I thought these were really cute. It's a little pack with little mini vases in it. I thought these were really cute. And I think they were like $6.99 or something. They weren't expensive at all. But it comes in tiny little ones, so you get this one and then a little pink one. Cute, very cute. I got a new duvet cover, just a white one, and a mattress cover, and lots of candles. We got 2 packets of the tea lights because I go through these so quick because I light them almost every night. I got these little skinny ones because I have a little gold candle holder that I found in a vintage store. So these are the ones that fit into that. There's a weird smell out here.
In the hole?
I don't know if it's off the IKEA stuff. A smell that wasn't here until I started to do this.
Maybe it's you.
It's not me. Got these candles as well. These are great because I have tall candle holders, so these sit on top of that and they come in different sizes. I got a couple of Ziploc bags. We just got another new bacon tray. I like this one because it's deep, so you can use it like a little not a casserole dish because it's kind of too big for that, but you know what I mean. You can use it as like a dish, or you can flip the rack over and use it as like a grill type thing. So yeah, that is my little IKEA haul.